Hi guys, I'm the Makeup Talk, aka Jae. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Yeah, so today I'm going to go over with you guys some of my favorite highlighters. This is going to be drugstore and high-end, so it'll be safe for everyone's wallets. And yeah, if you are a highlighter junkie like me and you enjoy your blinding highlights, then stay tuned because I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorites. So first we're going to start off with the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And mine is very heavily used, as you can see. And this one, honestly, I don't use it that much, but it broke. So this no longer travels with me. It stays home all the time because ever since that one broke, I've just gotten like I'm never going to be able to have this highlighter palette again. So I have to take care of it, and it has to last me a very long time. But this is honestly one of the best collabs. If you haven't seen my Best of Beauty video, I'll link it below. But this shade right here, 143, that is my go-to. As you'll probably notice with a lot of my highlighters, I'm into the really like goldy kind of shades. So yeah, 143, and when I'm feeling a little feisty, I throw in Glow Getter, and that just gives you the most beautiful glow I think you'll ever see. This was kind of a steal in of its own because it's 6 highlighters, and these are pretty decent sized pans. And I mean, I use this kit a lot and I still haven't hit pan on any of them. So yeah, go ahead, and if this ever comes back, get your hands on it. Do not miss it. Next up, if you don't know about Becca Cosmetics, Becca Cosmetics makes some of the most gorgeous highlighters ever, but one of my personal favorites in collaboration with Becca, and I know you're thinking that it's going to be Champagne Pop, and it's not. It's actually Prosecco Pop. Prosecco Pop honestly is one of my favorite highlighters, not only because Jaclyn Hill created it and she's one of those people that really just inspires me, but because this is a lot more gold tone than Champagne Pop is, and I happen to like a little bit more of the goldy highlighters. So yeah, there it is, swatch right there. And this is honestly one of these like highlighters that it's perfect to wear like on your shoulders, it's perfect to wear out, it's perfect to wear on no makeup days if you want to just kind of highlight certain points of your face. I absolutely love the powder formulation of Becca highlighters also because they're really soft and creamy and they last a very long time. Next up we have, honestly, this is like my go-to, my ride or die. This is my right hand right here. It's the Desi X Katy Fuego highlighter. I absolutely adore this highlighter. I wear it all the time. It's what I'm wearing on my face right now. It's what I'm wearing on most of my Instagram pictures. It's what I wear in most of my videos. This is my travel highlighter right here. Good Baby has not broken on me, and I hope it never does. But yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite highlighters. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the inside of my arm so you guys can kind of see. So there is the Desi X Katy highlighter. Absolutely gorgeous and nice and gold, and I absolutely love it. Next up on one of my favorite highlighters list, and this is like a highlighter that I wear when I want that, like, damn. When I want that, damn. Oh my god. Oh my god, who hit you with the highlight stick? That's one of these highlighters. And I probably should have used these glasses for the Desi X Katy one, huh? I didn't think of that. But I thought of it in the moment, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. This highlighter right here is the Diamond Glow Powder in Artist Couture. If you have not tried an Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, girl, what are you doing? Get you one of these because it is absolutely amazing. This is in the shade Illuminati. I am dying to get my hands on the La Peach and La Bronze highlighters from Artist Couture in collaboration with Jackie Aina, but your girl is on a budget right now and your girl can't afford it. So, but we support great people. We support queens. We support everyone around here. We support Artist Couture, and their highlighters are no joke. So it is a loose pigmented highlighter like this. It is a loose pigment. So what you do is you want to just like take up your brush and kind of go like this, and I literally do it just like that. Go just, do you see that? And you go just like that, and then everybody's like, oh my god, what did you do? Look at you. Like, if I highlighted my face with this right now, like, let me just highlight my chin, just for fun. Yeah. I do not usually do the chin highlight, but do you? Illuminati, get it. It's honestly a universally flattering tone. I really don't. Why do people do chin highlights? I'm not about the chin highlight life. But anyways, if you can get your hands on this, they're now available at Sephora, so it's even more fabulous. So get your hands on Illuminati. It is one of their best sellers, and there's definitely a reason for it, and I'm so happy to have this because it is amazing. Now moving on to some of my other favorites. So moving on to my favorite drugstore highlighters, you're going to notice a little bit of a shift. The gold drugstore highlighters, I don't know why, but they end up a little bit on the chalky side. So I do enjoy a little bit more of a rose gold highlight for the drugstore. And we're going to start off with Wet n Wild. This is a Precious Petals. This was all over the internet all summer. It was all over everywhere. And I sprained my butt. I really did it to try to find this highlighter. I did the most. I was looking for it at every Walmart, every CVS, everywhere. I just like stop in and look for it, and I finally found it, and now I know why everybody was obsessed with it. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that drugstore highlighter giving that high-end highlighter a run for its money and being beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. It is a little bit more on the rosy gold side, but I love it. It's one of those highlighters that I can make an exception for. I use this all the time. I recommend it to all my friends. If you don't got this, get you this, because it is like, I think it's like $7, and it's bomb. Next up in the highlight game, these made a huge splash. These made a huge splash. They were all over the internet, all over Instagram, all over social media, and I'm sure everybody thought, well, you know, they're just getting paid to talk about it. No. This highlighter is amazing. Literally so amazing. It is the Molten Glow highlighter from Maybelline, and not only is it like amazing, this one's my personal favorite. Honestly, I know they have like a rose gold one. It's not really my favorite, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna do that right. Yes. Do you see that? Another drugstore highlighter giving some high-end a run for its money, because these are bomb. And this lasts so long. Honestly, I'm so universally impressed with how long this highlighter will last. You gotta get you this one too. This one's a little bit more on the pricier side. I think this is like $9 or $10. $10. Yeah, because it's $9.99. This is $10. Best $10 well spent. You need this highlighter, and you could probably do without any other ones, unless you're me. In which case, you need them all. All of them. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. You're watching the video. Don't judge me. Alright, and last but not least, this is a new one that has recently come into my life. This is the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder in 50 watt. This, I don't know about this highlighter, but it's like half and half. It's like not all the way rose gold, and it's not all the way just gold, but it is gorgeous. It applies beautifully, and I think it was only $6, I think. Yeah, $6, something like that. Something catastrophically crazy like. Do you see that? I mean, that's a bit much. I added a lot, but I needed you guys to see it. Do you see that? Do you see that highlighter? Drugstore. Giving high-end a run for its money. That is a $7 highlighter, ladies and gentlemen. What is you doing? Get yourself a highlighter from the drugstore. It'll be your best decision yet, and you can thank me for it. I almost knocked my camera down. Those are my favorite highlighters. Those are my go-tos. Those are the ones that are in and out of my bag, the ones that I'm always recommending to my friends. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you to that extra person who subscribed this week. And I will see you guys in my next video. And as soon as we hit 200 subscribers, 200, we're not that far away, there will be a giveaway. A pretty big giveaway, okay? Because I've got a lot of stuff that I've been saving. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys. Bye!